Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Donut token. Now the Donut token just got put in the Launchpad section here, the Launchpad listings on Pinksale.finance. Their pre-sale is going to start in about a day and a half or so on Pinksale. We're going to go over the information on the Donut token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Donut token. So name of the token is Donut, and ticker symbol is also Donut. And this is part of a bigger project called the Donutswap. And their official webpage is donutswap.org. They have a full white paper there. You just click on Docs, take you over to their white paper. They do have a full audit, so they were audited by Solid Proof, and you can see that on Pinksale. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed, and they have the Seifu badge as well. Now, this is a Binance Smart Chain token. It's going to be a public pre-sale. Pre-sale will start exactly August 23rd at 12 o'clock UTC time and go until August 29th at 12 o'clock UTC time. So it's going to be a pretty lengthy pre-sale. Six full days. There's no hard cap, and soft cap set at 1 BNB. So sky's the limit for this pre-sale. So there is taxes of 3 and 3, it says. So if you missed this pre-sale, you're watching this video way later, you can get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over on Pancakeswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet. With Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Donut token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, donutswap.org. You'll probably have to set your slippage somewhere around 3% because of those taxes. And liquidity will be locked on Pancakeswap for 365 days. Total supply, 100 million Donut tokens. 18 decimal places on this token. 40% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 22.8% go to liquidity, and the remaining 37.2% go to the farm, syrup, NFT staking, and vaults. Now, it says, welcome to Donutswap, the premier yield farm and automated market maker on the Ethereum network. No ICO, no initial coin offering, no pre-sale, which is strange because their pre-sale is about to start soon. So they need to correct this. They need to correct their white paper here because there is definitely a pre-sale. And then it says just fair launch. So it says Donutswap is the most comprehensive yield farm and automated market maker decentralized exchange operating on the Binance Smart Chain and bridge for the Ethereum network. So they're going to be bridging to ETH as well. We offer unique and creative features that allow you to earn and win. Our deflationary token not only provides serious superior returns, but also distinguishes itself in the Ethereum ecosystem by enabling real use of NFTs in yield farming. So Donutswap introduces a revolutionary decentralized exchange on the Ethereum network known for its third-generation yield farming mechanism that supports a perpetual price increase with sustainable and profit farming. Hold Donutswap to gain access to pools offering with the highest annual percentage rate. This new form of farm incentivizes greater earnings required. Donutswap and other features ensure 100% sustainability for Donutswap. So there's the automatic liquidity. All trades made on the exchange, there's a 0.3% transfer tax that will be added to the Donut ETH liquidity pool through the contract automatically. The 0.3% transfer tax gets added to the liquidity pool through the contract automatically to raise the price floor continuously, and the liquidity will be locked and inaccessible. All liquidity added to the automatic liquidity acquisition will be locked in the Donut ETH pool. There's going to be automated burning and deflationary. So as previously noted, every Donutswap transfer requires a 2% transfer tax, which contributes to the deflationary nature of the ecosystem. Harvest lockup. It says our harvest lockup is a unique rewards lockup mechanism designed to limit harvest frequency, preventing farming arbitrage bots from ceaselessly harvesting and dumping. There's also buyback. So 5% deposit fees apply to staking. 80% of these fees are used for Donutswap's buyback and subsequent burning. 20% serves as the development of the emergency fund. So there's transfer tax burning mechanisms as well. So every transfer tax, send, swap, farm, etc. of Donutswap will be charged a 2% transfer tax. 2% transfer tax will be burned in every transaction, and 0.5% plus slippage to buy Donutswap on Uniswap or Donutswap or other automated market makers. The transaction will fail if the slippage is less than 1%. There's also a referral program. So you can get up to 3% commission on each time you refer a friend to harvest. Also a time lock integrated at launch. And there's syrup pools. We intend to add a trading incentive mechanism to our automated market maker decentralized exchange. Users can earn tokens by trading on Donutswap. Unlike traditional trade mining, Donutswap rewards can be different tokens. Other projects may provide their tokens as rewards for specific trading pairs. More details about that will follow. Now on the roadmap, phase 1 is going to be brainstorming, then KYC and audit, community building, global marketing campaign, fair launch on Pinksale. I guess they're not considering Pinksale a pre-sale, even though it is. They're just calling it a fair launch, but okay, that's fine. Uniswap listing, lock liquidity on Unicrypt, ETH scan verification, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Lunar Crush listing, beta phase of staking, yield farming, DAO governance, enable staking and farming. Then we got phase 2, launch of the Donutswap on the BRC20 network. That's interesting. Then CertiK audit, partnerships, central exchange listings, more DAO stuff, viral marketing, trending, ERC20, BRC20 ecosystem projects, DEXs and oracles, Donutswap OG Pass, referral links, implementation of the DEX Donutswap. They're going to have NFTs eventually, sponsorships, GameFi eventually, dApps, all sorts of cool stuff. So check it all out. Docs.donutswap.org is where you can find all of the info, and you can find this token starting their pre-sale very soon on pinksale.finance. So go check them out on Pinksale. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And did I say that already? I probably did. Repeating myself. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.